Hello everyone, welcome to Build in Public with Jahid. Today I'm gonna build my second app for Christmas. So let me share my screen and let's see what I'm gonna build. So today I'm gonna build a simple Snowfall animation app. So I'm gonna give this prompt to natively. So this is just a very simple prompt. Um, I give it a go. So as you saw in the previous last 2 days, I'm not, asking another AI to build me a prompt, a long prompt, detailed one. I'm just like, starting with a simple prompt because I want to see how the AI, how like natively is building my app. And then, I'm trying to come up with the second, third, and fourth, and so on prompts. So for me, yeah, today I'm going to build a simple app, which is like a falling snow or a winter skiing scene animation. So this is kind of a simple app idea I gave natively to build me. And of course, I think we also don't need a database for this, so I'm not gonna do the Supabase, but if you need to do the Supabase, you just connect the Supabase, you create a project, you connect the project, and then you just ask AI, let's connect Supabase and build the backend. So this is kind of like the prompt I use always, and it actually works well. It's a very simple prompt. Yeah, so we can actually go and see, if we have, if you want to find some design in Pinterest for this app. But yesterday, natively did a nice design. So let's see. Let's go with this one. Okay, this is the animation part. Let's say app. Let's say mobile app. Yeah, it's a bit hard, like to clearly come up with a nice design because it doesn't understand. Oh, this could be something. Yeah, this would be the nice one. But let's see. Okay, this is nice. Okay, it's building, so it's a very simple winter wonderland. Wonderland. Oh yeah, well it works. You see, I click and it's snowing. Yes, you see, I click and then it snows. So it worked once. Let's try one more. Yes, it works. Nice. Let's say make it a bit nicer and add a date somewhere. Okay, so I know which day of December it is. Let's go with this further prompt. So we can actually, yeah, just kind of like, give whatever prompt we like to do. And like the base idea, the base thing, about kind of like prompting is just be clear, like just really ask what you want and then just don't try to, somehow like be very unclear with the prompt. So, and because like sometimes you just think that, AI is super smart and like you don't need to explain, but to be honest, you have to explain yourself sometimes, and be very clear with AI. So let's see what it does. I just gave a very general prompt here. But yeah, so the idea of this challenge, of mine for 30 days is that, I just build a simple Christmas app idea and then, just like, yeah, share it with you guys on YouTube. And please let me know what you're thinking. Do you like these ideas? Are you enjoying them? Do you have some ideas for the next, like for this challenge? What should I build? Something more exciting, something more fun. But just, yeah, let me know. So I'm happy to try out different ideas. Nice. The calendar is here. Yeah, this is December 3rd. I don't like the positioning of the day, but it's okay. So please, um, let me do one thing. Let me take a screenshot and say date box and the winter also make the animation light up, create snow glory because it doesn't work now. Let's give it a go. So today I'm gonna give some few prompts, just work with the AI a bit more, so you can see how it is. Of course, you can see the code base here, which you own the code yourself, so you can actually like use it. But also, I'm dropping the community link on the description, so you can actually go create your account with native and then get some few prompts from that after you start your plan. Of course, so that's a community giveaway, and of course here we can see environment variable is where you're putting your API key. And then you can actually deploy the app, which I did yesterday. You can share the project. So you can just copy paste and then share the project with your friends. Also, there are some integrations, more to come. And of course, subscribe, get some free prompts. Here are some ideas on how to get some prompts. So let's say it's gonna work out to fix this. Actually, like yesterday, I received the invite, to test flight yesterday. Let me show you guys. This is actually, like from yesterday, holiday countdown. So this is actually, that we did like yesterday, So you can actually go and download it on test file and then push it to App Store. So this I got like yesterday because it takes some minutes, like 10, 15 minutes. So you have to wait. Nice. So it actually did. So what I did, simply I screenshot and then, I asked AI to fix that. So now like there's no overlap between the title and the date here. So this is kind of cool. Also, I can ask to make a profile, like make that one nicer and also, like put more stuff, but maybe, put some pictures. So you can actually kind of like play around with this, but just like prompt it and ask AI, to build it further for you. But yeah, it's really like the idea is, like how much you want to change. Mm, this is okay. Yeah, it works now. You see, the animation works now. Nice. Yes. See, it's working nice. And also, like something good about natively is that there is design element. You can actually work with the design. So I want to change this color, to something, let's say like greenish, light green, so I can save the changes. So it actually, can you can play around with the colors. You can change this one. You can make it, red, let's say, or let's say make it like green or whatever. So just for the sake of this demo, but let's change it so it saves. Yeah, see? Yeah. So actually, here, if you click, you can have this, like visual designer, like visual editor, so you can actually change the things here with the text. So you don't need to actually waste your prompt base for that if you have some design ideas. So this is it. Actually, this is a simple, the Snowfall type of idea, like mobile app, which I built, with one prompt. And then, of course, I prompt further to kind of to add some new things, so you can actually work and then like prompt what you want. You can add profile, you can add the payment, paywall, and other things. And this was it. Yeah. Thanks for watching me and following my journey for Christmas app challenge. Yeah. See you all tomorrow and have a nice evening today. Bye bye. Take care.